FlavaSquad. It's your girl Fashionisha here to give you all the flavor. If you are new here, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment down below #FlavaSquad. If you are not new here, I thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to be making the super trendy shoulder pad t-shirt out of a regular t-shirt. It's super easy. You can do this at home. Instead of paying $25, you can pay a minimum of like $2 just paying for your shirt and finding those shoulder pads. So let's get straight into this video. Here are the materials that you will need. I want to mention that you can sew this by a machine, or you can use needle and thread and sew by hand. The first step is to cut off the sleeves from your shirt. You want to make this as straight as possible, so I'm going to use a ruler to make sure that my cut is straight. I actually feel like I cut too much off, so just watch and cut off as much as you would like and as you would prefer. If you don't have a rotary cutter, which is what I'm using, you can also use your chalk to draw a line and cut it with scissors if it's easier for you and more convenient. Once we have the sleeves cut off, at the end we will be hemming them, and I just want to show you guys how to fold your sleeve in when hemming. This is how we will fold the sleeve in and hem all the way around. This is why it is important to not cut too much of your sleeve off so that you can have enough room for seam allowance, so just be mindful. Our next step is to add in our shoulder pads. So what we want to do is just take your shoulder pad and insert it into the shoulder of the shirt. You want to make sure that the pointed end is pointed towards your neck and that the wide side is pointed towards your shoulder. Also, when inserting your shoulder pads, there is a seam in the middle, or some might not have that seam in the middle, but I had a seam on mine, so I only matched my seams. I matched the top of the shoulder seam on the shirt and the seam of the shoulder pad together, and that's how I made sure it was centered. If you do not have that seam, I suggest you find the center before you insert it into the shirt. That way you can make sure it's as centered and straight as possible. Next, we're going to just pin it in, and this is also where we will sew. We will sew in the center of that t-shirt seam on the shoulder. That way it will hide that new thread you just put in. You want to make sure your thread is the same color, of course, but sewing through the seam that's already made will make it look like that shoulder pad is naturally there. You just want to complete that same process on the other side of your shirt. Be sure to center your shoulder pad as good as possible. Our last step before sewing is to hem the sleeve of the shirt. You want to go in about a ½ an inch and just pin it around, and you'll just straight stitch all the way around. Once everything is pinned, this is what it should look like. You want to sew with a straight stitch across your shoulder and around your sleeve. Like I always say, when sewing, be sure to end and begin with a back stitch so that your stitch will not come apart when washing or when putting the garment on. If you do not use a back stitch, it's just going to slide out eventually, and we don't want that. We want this to stay together. Also remember, for the shoulder pads, you are going through that stitch in the middle on the shoulder. There are 3 stitches up there, so you want to make sure you go through that middle stitch. Don't rush yourself, take your time, because you want to make sure your stitch is straight as possible. You see, I'm not sewing that fast because I'm trying to make sure that I go through that middle stitch so that my stitching will be hid inside of that one. So just take your time and be careful so that you don't get off track. Once you're done sewing, this is what your shoulder should look like. And once I show this to you guys in 1 second, I actually got off track a little bit. So that's what I was talking about earlier, with just making sure you're taking your time and going slow so that you can get it as straight as possible. Next, you want to just hem your sleeve with a straight stitch. Always end and begin with the back stitch, and you're just going to sew all the way around to hem the sleeve. Once you're all done, this is what your stitching should look like. It should be stitched and hemmed around the sleeve, and it should be stitched across where the shoulder pad lays. And guess what? We are done. Okay, y'all, this is what the shirt looks like. I did a little tie and tuck in the back. This is what it looks like. Just like Fashion Novas, just like Miss Gotti. You can make it yourself at home with little to no money. All you need is a shirt. I'm pretty sure, you know, mom, grandma, they got the shoulder pads for you. Or you might even have some shoulder pads. So super easy, quick little DIY. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. May your curls pop and your grind never stop. FlavaSquad. I'm out of here.